To start, you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now you're going to add in both your white and your brown sugar, and then you're going to add in your oil, and then you're going to mix it. I know when you see me mixing, it's going kind of fast, but I always speed it up just for the sake of the video. I don't want to make it too long. So just remember, anytime you're baking, you're going to mix on low, and your wet ingredients are always going to be at room temperature. So now you're going to add in your cookie butter, and then you're going to scrape down your bowl. Now add in your egg. You always want to scrape down your bowl in between mixing just to make sure that all the ingredients are incorporated. So now you're going to alternate with the wet and dry ingredients. You always start with the dry ingredients and end with the dry ingredients. So I'm just going to give my bowl one final scrape, and then I'm just going to mix it by hand just so that I won't overwork the batter. To finish this recipe off, I'm going to pour in my melted cookie butter, and I'm going to fold that in with the batter. This recipe can be used to make cupcakes or a cake. If you want to make a cake, you'll have to double it for a 6-inch cake, or you can triple it to make an 8 or 9-inch cake. This is exactly the consistency that your batter should be. Not too thick and not too runny. Just exactly like this. So I added a little cookie butter on the top, and then I topped it off with buttercream. You can use whatever buttercream you prefer. This is my salted caramel cookie butter buttercream. And here I'm just topping it off with cinnamon sugar. As I do with all my cupcake recipes, I'm just cutting it down the middle so you can see how soft and fluffy this is. It came out very flavorful and so moist, but you know, that's a given when it's my recipes. So I just hope you guys try it and let me know how you like it in the comments.